Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I'd like to answer a question here by this person who seemed to have left their caps on. So, this person is confused about two verses in the Quran which seem to be contradicting each other. Surah 2, verse 29 says that God has created the earth before creating the heavens. And in Surah 79, it says that God made the heavens first and then he created the earth. This is a common claim made by people who believe that the Quran is contradicting itself. So let's address this. We go to Surah 2, verse 29. It says, He is the one who created for you all that is on the earth. Then he attended to the heaven and has made it 7 heavens. Here, the claim is that God has created the earth first, and then he created the heaven. But we need to pay attention here because this verse does not say that he created the heaven after creating the earth. No. It says, He created for you all that is on the earth, then he attended to what? The heaven. Which means that the heaven was already there. It means that the heaven was created first, before the creation of the earth. You see that? So the fact that God says, ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى إِلَى السَّمَاءِ, the heavens, the sky, it means that the sky was already there, folks. What has happened is that God has created everything that is on the earth, then he attended to the pre-existing heaven, and then made it 7 heavens. So the creation of the 7 heavens was made after the creation of the earth, but the heaven itself was already there. So this verse teaches us that the heaven existed before the earth. Now we go to Surah 79, and we see the same thing, an actual confirmation of what's being said. It says, Are you a more powerful creation than the heaven which he built? He raised its height and perfected it, and he covered its night and brought out its morning, and the land after that he spread it. So again, we see that the heaven was created first, and then the earth. Then we see the same thing in Surah 41. God, in the beginning of this passage, talks about the creation of the earth. Then he says, Then he settled to the heaven. ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى إِلَى السَّمَاءِ, which means again that the heaven was already there. It was in a state of smoke. Okay? Then he said to the heaven and the earth, Come willingly or unwillingly. They said, We come willingly. Thus, after all of this, he made them into 7 heavens. So there's no contradiction here, folks. The heaven was already there before the creation of the earth. God created the heaven first, then he created the earth, and then 7 heavens were brought out after that. Wassalamu alaikum.